Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fingerprint lock in WhatsApp chat. So let's get right into it. First of all, you have to open up your WhatsApp. Then select the chat you want to lock. Select this icon. Select this contact from the top of the screen. Once you will scroll down, here you will see chat lock. Make it enable by pressing this button. Once you will hit on this, then you have to hit on continue. Touch on the fingerprint sensor and your chat has been locked. And that's it guys. How to fingerprint lock in WhatsApp chat. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.